Hello humanity, more mountains here. Time for an update on the next analytical series for the site. So next we'll be looking at James Cameron's Terminator duology. Why this series? The main reason behind this analytical focus is it represents peak James Cameron, that time from the early 80s to the beginning of the 90s, when there was this combination of sharp writing and a really strong understanding of science fiction and its storytelling potential. In looking at these two films, we'll see them together but also separately, in that the first is a prime example of saying more with less, and it really creates a universe out of words around a campfire, especially with the Kyle Reese character. And then with T2, we'll really look at how to reverse that setup. One of these challenges that all sequels have, how to make it organic, but also how to expand on the first one, but then handle the bombastic nature or going too far in a skillful manner, which Terminator 2 does exceptionally well. From an analytical aspect, both of the films have a really strong craftsmanship, and this is demonstrated in the results behind each film. So with Terminator 1, it essentially killed an entire genre once it was released. So that's something which we'll look at in detail. And then with Terminator 2, it has a deceptively deep subtext, which will be the focus of the second half. And as an additional point, we'll touch on the fascination with the Terminator universe in terms of how it's still picked apart or still looked at today in as much detail as it was when it was first released. And then added to that, these ongoing attempts to continue to reboot and remake the films. And we'll look at why these attempts are doomed to failure, essentially. So that's what's coming next, an in-depth look at Terminators 1 and 2. Enjoy, and see you on the other side.